Good morning, children. I am your ICT teacher from NLK Group of Schools, and we are studying Chapter 2, that is GUI Operating System Desktop Management. So, in the last class, we have read about operating system GUI, its examples, features of Windows 7, taskbar, customization of desktop, and many more other things. Now, we will study about the customization of Windows setup. Okay? It means here we are going to learn about how to set date and time, how to set the volume of speaker, and many more other things. So let's start with this all one by one. Okay? In the last class, I have told you about taskbar and its various sections such as start button, quick launch bar, and notification area. In the notification area, if you click at the extreme right, you will be able to see the date and time there. There will be a pop-up window. Now click on change date and time settings option. Once you click on change date and time settings, a dialog box will appear in front of you. It is date and time dialog box, and here you will be able to see date and time tab. Okay. Once again I am repeating. If you will click at the extreme right, where extreme right of the notification area, you will see date and time. What will you see? You will see date and time, right? Now where will you click? Click on change date and time settings option. Now there will be a dialog box. Which dialog box? Date and time dialog box. And by default, which tab will be opened in front of you? The date and time tab. Which tab? Date and time tab. Right, children? In date and time tab, click on change date and time button. Then again you will see a dialog box naming date and time settings. Right? From here you can select the date. You can change the month by using backward and forward buttons. If you want to change time, you can do it by doing changes in the text box. This text box is present below the clock. After doing all the changes, click on OK. Your changes will get saved now. This is the way of changing date and time in your computer. Okay? In this figure, you are able to see the date and time settings dialog box, right? Here you can make changes in the date, in the month. By clicking on these numbers, you can select the date. By clicking on backward and forward button, you can change the month. By making changes in that text box, you can make the changes in the time. After doing all the changes, just click on OK and your changes will get saved, right? Children, are you aware of the settings regarding volume of the speaker? Okay, let's recall it. In the notification area, you will be able to see speaker option. Okay, just click on it. After that, a pop-up window will appear in front of you. Here, if you drag the slider upward, the volume get raised, means the volume or sound get increased. If you drag the slider downward, the volume get decreased. Okay? Children, this is the volume option, right? This is the slider. If you drag the slider upward, where? Upward, the volume get raised, means the volume get increased. And if you will drag the slider downward, the volume get decreased. Okay? Students, for so many times I am saying, just right click on this icon, just right click on the desktop. Once you right click on the desktop or on any icon, you see a pop-up menu with different set of commands, means the options in that pop-up menu will be different. Children, this pop-up menu is called shortcut menu or context menu. Now the question is, why is it called the shortcut menu? Because we can save our time by this menu. we can access all the necessary options or commands using this menu and do the changes that are required in very less time, right? Next thing is, as I have said that the options or commands are different for different pop-up menu. It means if you right click on the desktop, you will be able to see a pop-up menu with so many options, and the last option will be personalize. By clicking on personalize option, you can change the background of your system. You can set screensaver. You can change the size and look of desktop icons and many more other things, right? Children, this is the pop-up menu you will get once you right click on the desktop, and this is the last option, that is personalize option. Okay children, and if you right click on any icon, you will see a pop-up menu with different options, and the last option in this menu will be properties, right? Children, this is the pop-up menu view you will get when you right click on any icon. Okay, and the last option is properties option. Which option? Properties option. Okay, so this is all about this chapter. Now go through the whole chapter once again from the PDF sent in the last class and solve the worksheet. Hope you have understood all the topics well that I have delivered to you. Thank you.